Hello YouTube. I was fixing the clear coat on my Jaguar and I thought, hey, why don't I make a video? So, how this all started is I bought my car used 2005 and when I got it, I noticed the clear coat was a little dull on the hood. So, what I did, and I know this is kind of stupid, I went and got a rattle can from AutoZone. You should never do that, but what happened was the finish was off and it started peeling. So basically a lot of trial and error, and I finally got this compressor. Yeah, it's just a Harbor Freight compressor, you know, standard 150 psi maximum, 2 horsepower. So I used the compressor, and this is the first coat. As you can see, it's not entirely perfect, but it's getting along there. I thought I would update and just a couple tips of what not to do and what to do when you do it. I'll come back once I put the second coat on. I'm waiting for it to cure in the flash time. It was 8 hours for 2 coats with 10-minute flash time. So I'll come back when I do the next 2 coats and see how that looks. Alright, the second set of 2 coats is done. It was looking pretty good. As you can see, the strips is where each pass overlaps each other, so that's not the only place where the clear coat touched, it's just the overlapping bits. Obviously, you know, have to tape everything off. That's a big thing you need to remember, for sure. So, a couple of tricks what to do and what not to do in the meantime. Definitely don't get the rattle cans. It just doesn't work. You think it's a cheaper alternative, and it is cheap, but it really doesn't always work. I see some people did it on YouTube and it worked. I tried it and it didn't work, and I regret it dearly. So, do that at your own risk. I'll definitely read the instructions. You know, flash times are very important. 6 to 8 inches, you know, away. And I guess I'll just post a thumbnail of the picture when it's all done after I color sand it and what have you. But the hard part's over. You know, compressor and a HVLP gun is you know, recommended. I mean, I know Eastwood is a really good brand for the clear coat you use in compressors, so I was recommended that, and I really do love it. It's pretty good price, so yeah, just if you ever have to do this, and bodywork is really expensive, so you might have to, just be really careful and take your time. See you guys.